Hello everyone, this is Mr. Kraus, or Dave Kraus rather. I am your TTL, your Technology Teacher Leader. This is part 2 of 2 installments, 2 videos about how to use Data Director in scanning assignments. So please enjoy. This video will cover how to look up assessment scores, perhaps, and in hopes of using them in your grades. So please enjoy. Probably wondering how to find a Data Director website. Mr. Kraus, sorry guys. I'll tell you guys from a personal perspective, I love to save websites under favorites. In this case, you can find it rather quickly. So there's mine. But if you haven't done that yet, just go to the Downey website page. And you'll find it at the bottom as a link. Make sure, if you plan on using it very much, go ahead and make it a favorite. Enter your information here. You'll notice it's just first initial, last name, and then obviously your password, and you click log in. At this point, I recommend using My Students. All students will give you all students. So this makes it a little clearer. My Students. In order to find assessments, it's pretty easy. Just click Assessment. I'm sure there's different ways to get to these different pages. This is the one I enjoy. It seems the most efficient for me. I cannot recall the assessment ID number, so I'll just look up some of the words I know are in the title. I am blessed to have the opportunity to teach the EDGE curriculum with the F word, fidelity. So I'm in Unit 3, Cluster 2, so this assessment's in there. By the way, that ID number was 9856 that I could not recall or could not remember. This assessment went well for me. It was a pretty easy test for the kiddos. And the document has been scanned, and so I get max scores, minimum scores. Wow. You get the median and the mean. So my class average is pretty high this time. That's fantastic. Let's talk about some of the reports. You're more than welcome to click through and figure out which one of these different reports you like. I'll highlight 2, and that will conclude my video. The first one I like is Student Assessment Report Abbreviated. I enjoy PDFs rather than HTML. And so click on the PDF, and an option will come to open it. And this is great if you have a small class or it's an important assessment and you really want to show the students what they're doing. They get a pretty grade spectrum, and they can see the different categories or subcategories of the test and see how they're doing and what area in specifically they might want to focus on next time to improve. So pretty cool report. I enjoy giving it to my smaller classes or on important common benchmarks. The other report I enjoy is a classroom performance summary report. These tend to be a little shorter. It's much the same information on this page in a slightly different version. So we'll give it a second to load. There it is. Woo! Long time no see. So this is self-explanatory. I won't waste too much time. First category is whatever points you set the test out of. So 26 questions for 100 points. And it does the math. Obviously, point total is in this column, and then percentages in this case. 100, so synonymous or similar. And that concludes the reports. Pretty easy to print. Just find the little icon in the upper left-hand corner. Thanks. If you have any further questions, please feel free to email me. First initial D is in David, and Kraus. So D Kraus, K-R-A-U-S, dkraus@dusd.net. If you like this video, throw me a high five in the hallways when you see me on the next workday. Thanks, and I look forward to talking to you, meeting you with you in person.